Hi, I'm Vicki from Hoop Studio, and I'm so happy that you're joining me today for our March unboxing. This month, we're going to be showing you Spring Table Runner, one of my favorite Hoop Studio projects that we have designed so far. So let's go take a look and see what we will be getting in the box of this month. So I am so excited to show you. First, you're going to get, of course, your printed materials with your step-by-step instructions and also your content card. How beautiful are these pictures? I love them. Then you will also be getting these 3 packs of felt to create your projects, and you're gonna get a blank table runner, fabrics from Poppy Cotton, very cute prints, and some felt and wash away topping. This table runner is perfect for your projects, and you will be creating this beautiful spring table runner to lay on your table. And you will be able to create a design here and on the other end as well. So you're going to be getting enough materials to create both designs. This table runner also has a beautiful lace finish, and it has this beautiful custom dyed peachy color that will go perfect for your spring vibes. Then about the fabric, we have our 3 colors of fabrics here. These are all solids. And then you are going to be getting the cutest Poppy Cotton fabric with the most gorgeous print. Then you're also going to have your felt, your wash away topping, and also your 4 pieces of shape form. So you are probably wondering, what am I creating this month? So I am so excited because this is just so beautiful. Look how pretty these ears from these bunnies are, and you are going to be creating this design on each end of your table runner. And the fresh technique of this month is decorative stitches. And I am so proud of our digitizing team because they come up with the coolest decorative stitches that we have never seen in any Kimberbell product before. So if you take a look at here, you have these beautiful decorative stitches around the ears, around the flowers, around the eggs, and it's just beautiful. And you will have enough materials to make, again, both of these designs on each end of the table runner. And this is all done in one hooping. And you will be able to do either the 8x12 or the 5x7. It's a little bit smaller, if you can see. So you'll be able to create one of these 2. And then to complement everything in this design, you will also be able to create coordinating napkin holders. They have the same kind of design of the bunny ears, and you will be able to create 4 of these and have an entire table setting. So aren't these just so beautiful? I am so excited. So that is our March Hoop Studio. And let me know what you think. It's really cute. And we will finish, of course, with our giveaway. So to enter this giveaway, you just have to answer the following question. And it's, what is your favorite Easter tradition? I would love to know more about US traditions. And so let me know what your Easter tradition is, and I'm excited to see what you tell me. And you will enter to win 1 table runner blank. So these will be available in the store as well, just a heads up, but you will be able to win one of these to create more projects, and you will also get a nice fabric bundle to complement with to just maybe add as applique in these designs or other designs. So yeah, that is our spring table runner for Hoop Studio. And now go and enjoy some well-deserved me time.